Today I'm gonna to tell you a story. The story title is I Wish That I Had Duck Feet. I wish that I had duck feet, and I can tell you why. You can splash around in duck feet. You don't have to keep them dry. I wish that I had duck feet. No more shoes. No shoes for me. The man down at the shoe store would not have my size. You see? If I had 2 duck feet, I could laugh at Big Bill Brown. I would say, "You don't have duck feet. These are all there are in town." I think it will be very good to have them when I play oldie kids with duck feet on. Ever play this way. But my mother will not take them. She will say, "Get off of my floor." She would say, "You take your duck feet and take them out that door. Don't ever come in here again with duck feet on. Now, don't so. I guess I can have duck feet. I would like to, but I won't. So, if I can have duck feet, I'll have something else instead. I know what I wish I had. 2 horns up on my head. I wish I had 2 deer horns. They would be a lot of fun. 10 heads up there. Big Bill can just wear 1. I think they would be very good to have when I play ball game. Then nobody can stop me. No, sir, nobody at all. My horns could carry books and stuff, like paper, pens, and strings, and apples for my teacher, and a lot of other things. But if I had Big Deer's horn, I would never get a ride. I could never use the school bus. I could never get inside. And so I won't have deer horns. I have something else instead. I wish I had a whale spout. A whale spout on my head. When they got hot, it will be good to spout in school. Then Miss Manx would say, Thanks, you keep our school so cool." I could play all day in summer. I would never feel the heat. I would beat Big Bill at tennis. I would play him off his feet. But my mother will not like it. I know just what she would say. "Not in this house. You turn that off. Take that spout away." I know that she would tell me. I don't want that spout about, and when my mother does not want a thing, it's out. O-U-T. It's out.
That's the end.
That's the end of the story.